After the Supreme Court allowed states to create sub-classifications within the SC/ST categories for the purpose of according wider protections, the Reservation Bachao Sangharsh Samiti is ready to hit the street to challenge the Supreme Court's decision. The organization, which has gained support from SC/ST groups in Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Kerala, has called for a Bharat Bandh today. Now, even BJP ally Chirag Paswan's LJP has supported this Bandh. In fact, schools across several places in Rajasthan have been closed, while exams in Kota University stand postponed for the moment. Now, the organization has also called for the closure of malls, shops, banks, and even public transport from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Delhi police has also said that no one can be forced to shut down anything. Emergency services, ambulances, pharmacies, petrol pumps will all remain open. Now, when it comes to the impact of the call for the Bharat Bandh, there are schools across several areas in Rajasthan have been closed down, while exams in Kota University stand postponed for the moment. Now, the organization has also called for the closure of malls, shops, banks, and even public transport from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. And we're crossing over to my colleague Nikhil, who joins us on the broadcast. He's actually going to be telling us more about what's taking place in the capital itself. Nikhil, what can you tell us about what's taking place in connection with Bharat Bandh when we talk about Delhi?
So, Aisha, this was the call which was given by the joint banner of the SC/ST Sayukt Morcha, and they had given a major call for the Bharat Bandh. But the impact of the same is not seen much in the capital city. All the services are working likewise only. Although, if we talk about the call, in the very first place, it clearly says that the malls, shops, ATMs, and other relevant things are going to remain inoperative. But we have spoken to the sources within the police as well, and they have said that they are prepared to handle any of the situation. And if anyone is found to force another person to close anything, then this is something which is going to be taken at the utmost priority and with the utmost seriousness as far as the law and order is concerned. So Delhi NCR by and large appears to be peaceful, but the impact is what we are hearing is majorly seen in the side of the Jaipur and nearby districts as well. And this was this call has been given by that particular morcha over the Supreme Court ruling which has come out on August 1, which allowed the sub-classifications as far as the quota system is concerned, particularly for the SCs, which exclude the creamy layer as far as the scheduled caste is concerned. So for the same, there were many of the sangathans, so to say, or the organization, so to say, they gave out a public and the larger call against the ruling which has been out from the side of the Supreme Court. They are going to make sure that the Bharat Bandh is something which is going to be observed. But capital city, Delhi in particular, appears to be very much peaceful, and there is no impact of the Bharat Bandh so far. Back to you, Aisha.
All right, Nikhil, thank you so much for joining us, getting us a look at what exactly is taking place as far as the impact of the Bharat Bandh is concerned in the capital. Thank you for joining us and giving us that information. Now,